Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a fish finder slash depth finder, but you don't want something super bulky, this is such a great thing to have. This is the Joylog fish finder. It works via Bluetooth with your phone, and it's super easy to use. Once you connect the Joylog to your fishing line on your pole, you can just throw it in the water and it'll float on the surface and use the sonar to determine the depth and where the fish are. Once you connect it to your phone once, it automatically will connect to the app. You don't have to worry about doing it each time, which is so convenient. And here's a look at what it looks like on the app. It tells you the depth right there, and it shows you where the fish are. We saw several fish in this area, and we had some success thanks to the Joylog on this fishing trip. It's so much fun. So if you're in the market for a fish finder that works via Bluetooth, I highly recommend this one from Joylog. It's so much fun to use, but that's just my point of view.